Hey everybody, Fred here, redlineautosports.com. This is our 1968 California Special RestoMod. This car was born a 6-cylinder, now has an awesome little 289, top loader 4-speed. It has front disc brakes. It has real Shelby taillights and real Shelby fog lights and the Shelby scoops. We're told that this car was probably built from a wrecked California Special. It is Acapulco blue, absolutely gorgeous inside and out. GT wheels, GT scoops. It's got the locking hood. It's got everything you could want on one of these, and it has been meticulously nut and bolt restored. And when I say nut and bolt, I mean every nut and bolt. This is a little car you could take to car shows, take to Cars and Coffee. Absolutely gorgeous. Meticulously done all the way right. Love the paint. There's not a chip in it that I can find. Beautiful saddle tan upholstery. Drop dead gorgeous. Got the original tag here. Shelby steering wheel. Tack and gauges. Fires up super easy. Radio does not work. Top loader 4-speed. Got the reverse lockout. Just amazing how nice this car is. How well it is done. I mean, in the jams everywhere. Done right. GT chrome wheels, California Special script, GTCS, full-size spare jack and tool. Painted all the way in Acapulco blue. Number one color in 1968 was the Acapulco blue. What a nice little car. Love that scoop. So cool. Told that this car's been done about 10 years, and I'm telling you, it looks like it was done yesterday. It is beautiful. Runs and drives great. What an awesome little car. Check us out online at redlineautosports.com. Call or text me, Fred, at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed and awesome day.